Ever felt like time is dragging its feet? Welcome to my world. I want to share a story about the time I had to wait for my university admission results. It was huge for me because getting into a good uni was my dream since forever. After taking my entrance exams, I had to wait for 2 whole months. Trust me, those 2 months felt like 2 years. Every single day, I'd obsessively check the university website, hoping the results would pop up early. Pause, chuckle. Spoiler alert, they didn't. Finally, the day arrived. Results were announced, and guess what? Pause for effect. I got in! The wave of excitement and relief was unreal. Those nerve-wracking weeks taught me the true meaning of patience and perseverance. So next time you're waiting for something big, remember the struggle is real, but the reward is so worth it.